pictures converted into cloud instead of the gallery. It was a mess. I tried as much as I could before I knew the phone was going back everything up. Some things was backed up all the way from 2014, which I did not want. But the pictures are also there. They're just in the cloud or in the photos. It's hard to get them back into the gallery because it was basically backed up from the phone. So what I've been trying to do is convert all the videos and pictures that I recorded during our anniversary back into my phone or back into an app that can actually just video edit. Well, I tried multiple video apps and that did not work. So, here's a video. I ended up trying to post some of it on Instagram, a little bit on Facebook, just in case I lost the pictures, like I always do. It's not really to gloat. It's not really for anything but for myself. So I can remember and so I can look back on those things. So, like I said, some videos didn't pull over. Said something about an error. So I lost about 3 videos of footage, which only lasted a couple minutes, but still, that's a memory, and now it won't even play. I don't know. So, for the most part, I tried to make the video using a video editor. I, did a voiceover in some parts to try and let you guys know that some footage was lost. Was so excited about putting this video out that, fortunately, I did not see on one clip that there is music playing in the background. That's what happens. I was inside a bar. It was our first day being here, and we had just arrived, so I was filming like crazy, and I literally filmed the part just talking with some music I never heard before in the background. What are you gonna do? Just to let you know, this anniversary was at the Pocono Palace, Pennsylvania. I think it's called Smithtown. And we really had a good time. It was in April, around the 14th, 13th, 15th, 12th, 11th. And I have to say, you cannot go there in April. The weather is so different. Seasons are all mixed up. You don't know what season it is. May is like raining like April showers. It's cold in April still showers. So the best time I would say would go around May or June. Definitely summertime. It's nice and hot. There's a lot of activities to do. There's kayaking, boating. You can go boating. I don't know what that is. Kayaking. You can do jet skiing. Oh my gosh. I just wish there was more things that we could have did, as a couple. Because there's nothing but couples there. And then if you meet like a couple and y'all all click or whatever, you guys, you could have fun while you're there. In the activities part. They got a gift shop full of crazy things and nice stuff too. Cups, mugs, house coats, slippers, towels, keys, keychains, glasses, beautiful stuff, picture frames. And then there's that wall. You're not gonna know what I'm talking about when I say the wall until you go there. I can't tell you. I have to keep it a secret, or maybe I'll just, what I'll do? I'll put it down in the comments, the description box or comment section, but I'll put it down there. But there's a gift shop, and then everybody calls it the wall. Yeah, it's bad, but it's for married couples. You know, there's no kids that's supposed to be there. I didn't see no kids. And when you go into the dining rooms, if you've seen the pictures and things on my other social media, you will see that there is 2 chairs for 2 people. Okay? Now, if you from some other country where they still allow, you know, you'd be married to more than one wife, and you got 2, 3 wives, I guess you're gonna have to roll up a chair, whatever have you, whatever floats your boat. Some people though, they go there in groups for like their birthday and stuff like that. I think there's one person there for their birthday, but she was still with only her husband. But then I saw one person with two girls. So then I was just like, oh, that's kind of crazy. Anyway, none of my business. I don't know what they were there for. What else can I talk about? There's a nice river in the back. So when you sit down, say you go for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and you sit down at the window, you can see the river behind. It looks like a big, river. So that's where you do all the boating activities at. They also had paintball. You shoot through the paintball gun. Like, they had that. That was pretty. I like paintball. These people, the way they drive nowadays, like, people just like race for them. Oh my goodness! You can't even try to get over when you can. Everyone's beating you to the punch. I guess that's what it is when you're not working and everyone's off of work trying to rush home. I've been off of work for almost 2 weeks. Feel jobless, but I'm not. Anywho, so it was a good time. I just didn't want to leave. We had gotten the Roman Towers. Now the Roman Towers is the one separate from the other building, and they're tall. That's why they call Roman Towers, because you got the champagne glass inside. And if you've seen the pictures, I don't know what they exactly call it, but it looks like a champagne glass, and it's a jacuzzi. It looks like a bathtub, but it's a jacuzzi. Now I can finally get over it. Thank you. But yeah, looks like a jacuzzi. It is a jacuzzi. It looks like a bathtub. But that was awesome. They also give you another tub in there, shaped like a heart. It's a pool, but on the other side of the pool, there's little, jets. It was like a jacuzzi inside the pool, so it's awesome. Then you got your sauna room in the back. You can have heat. Relax, lay down in there. It was nice. I couldn't breathe in there though. Woo. 'Cause we turned it up. I could not breathe. But anywho, it was just a good time, and the people were so nice. They're so professional. They were really, really nice. And the maintenance guy, we had something wrong with our jacuzzi, but he came and fixed it, and it was amazing. They gave us like a gift bag. It had 2 champagnes in it, and that champagne was good. Sweet. I don't know what it was called. But if I see it again, I can point it out. I just need to see it. I need to see the bottle. That seemed like that was their like label thing, because that was everywhere through the whole entire place. And then they gave us the firewood. And they also gave you a photo album. You can go home and put your pictures in it after you develop your pictures. I think it was thoughtful. Even the cleaning ladies was nice. Someone was from Colombia. It was Spanish speaking. But I speak both languages, poquito, a little bit. But I communicated with her, and she was so nice to give us extra soap, because that soap smelled blazing. That soap smelled like, I don't know if you guys eat Italian ice, but the Italian ice is like a lemon and lime flavor. My husband loves it. It's delicious. I don't like it all the time. I like lemon sometimes, not all the time. So citric acid. But anyway, that soap was like, we were washing our bodies with Italian ice, and it was so nice. And the shower was so nice. The shower head came down like it was raining on you. You know, the big wide circle shower heads? It came down like it was raining on you, and it was beautiful. It was much space in it. You could sit down in it, put your leg up. There's a part where you can put your leg up and just sit there, and then the other person could sit on the other side in the shower. This is crazy. We had 2 sinks and 1 bathroom, which, you know, we need. As soon as we get a house, like, it has to be 2 sinks, 1 bathroom, big mirror, you know, or 2 bathrooms, and then just 2 sinks in the master bedroom bathroom. Like, that was awesome to have, like, my own sink, my own mirror. I'm sure he enjoyed it too. Oh my goodness. People always screaming around here. I think everybody around here is like on something. But anyway, so yeah, that was a good perk. The food was good. It just wasn't enough of it. And we kept going there late anyway, so it's like, you could go anytime you want, but I guess it's best to go early. That way, if you want seconds, you can have seconds. If you ordered prime rib with lobster tail and you were still hungry, you can have seconds with like no extra payment, no nothing. I mean, yeah, you would tip, but you get your drinks. The drinks would be, you know, credited towards your room, so you could get points. But that lobster tail and that steak, if you have the all-inclusive package, you don't have to pay for that. You could just eat another. And if you real big guy, big girl, you can eat another lobster tail. Now I have to tell you, the lobster tails were not like they used to be. I mean, it was like going to Red Lobster, if you guys know what I mean about that. Red Lobster used to be this big old chain restaurant with this big, juicy, buttery lobsters and shrimp and crabs. And now everything has like downsized. So, but out of all my experience, I have to say, it was very good. I enjoyed myself. And the comedians there were just interesting. I must say, as a comedian, you do have to know like your audience, but after you already asked them like multiple questions for like the first 5-10 minutes, it shouldn't go on for another 5-10 minutes asking your audience questions. Like, you should not be surveying your audience throughout the whole entire show. I guess they just couldn't fill us out, or they just were at a loss of words of what to talk about, because most of the time there they were talking about stereotyping, race, funny things that other races do, things like that. So the drinks were good though. Like, you didn't have a problem, like your drink wasn't watered down, or you couldn't taste the alcohol inside of it. It was perfectly fine. Like, it wasn't a problem with the chef. The chef even was considerate enough, because they didn't tell everybody that on the weekends dinner time changes, and we went there like it was a weekday when we wanted to go there for dinner, and they were almost closing. But he literally, you know, gave us appetizer, asked us if we wanted salad, while he really cooked, you know, some more food for us. And we weren't the only people. We weren't the only couple that didn't get the memo of it's different on Saturday. So that was awesome. I just wish I could show you guys everything. Unfortunately, my video was blocked, and I gotta end this video right now. And just check it out. If you guys want a romantic place to be, you know, a hotel, it's worth it. You don't even have to get the Roman Towers. You could get the other hotels there. They were still beautiful inside, you know. And this is at the Pocono Palace once again, the land of love. So I just want to put that out there. Do go on my Instagram page if you want to see the pics, the videos. They're up there. And also my Instagram is tied to my Facebook. So if you want to see more of the videos to play out the whole time, you can go on Facebook, and all that will be located down at the bottom in the description box. Okay, all right, thank you for watching again this video. Stay tuned to some more videos. Getting ideas. I'm coming up with something. I'm not sure what it is, but right now in my life it's a little chaotic, and you know, my kids need me right now more than anything, so I'm kind of busy with that. So you'll see me again. All right, you guys remember, balance is bliss. Stay tuned to the next video.